like this container box, but it was of plastics. So I didn't want to waste it. So I thought of an idea that I'll grow plantain. So now you see this plant. So first these were babies like this one, but now this is a grown up. So now it has to be a plant like this big one. These are babies like this one, but now this is big enough, so this should become like this one. So we will take the scissors and cut it carefully so the roots doesn't die. Yeah. Okay. Then plant it in the container.